So I'm out here at Meadowbank today for a customer who's got NBN FTTB, fibre to the building. Basically, she's been getting quite a few dropouts on her service lately. She's been up to iiNet and they've basically said that everything's working fine in the building. She needed to get a private tech. So we've come and taken a look. Now we checked at the socket with the extra VDSL tester, and we're getting the speeds she should be getting there, no dropouts or anything at that point. But what we did notice, lady's got a cat, and the cat had been chewing into her LAN cable. So you can see there's quite a few other spots through on this cable here where the cat's been chewing into it. But that's enough to drop your service out. So this cable was connecting from the switch in the back of the router to her computer. So yeah, and we tested this and it's also testing okay, but when you move it around the cable, then that's when you're going to have the problems. So just a quickie, just to say, check your leads, make sure your leads aren't damaged or in any way, because that can definitely have negative effects and drop you out off the internet. Okay, bye.